Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be working on a pair of Air Force Ones Louis V print. First, let's prep the shoe using a leather deglazer all over where you're going to be painting. Then let's grab the stencils and slowly put the print all over the shoe where you want it to cover. I personally do my stuff by hand and I don't use transfer paper, but that is an option. Then select the color you want to paint the shoe. I chose pink, so I did the whole shoe pink.
Lift off and the clock has started.
Then peel away the stencils once you're finished painting and then touch up the shoe. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you next time.